Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your HUAWEI MediaPad T3, for the first you have to open the application that you want to use. So I will go for the Google Chrome, and also I will pick the calendar. And right now go back to our main screen, use this button, and right now if you want to activate, just pick your application. So I'm going for the Play Store, for example, and right now I can pick second application, and maybe I will open the Gmail. So this is how it looks. You can also adjust the size with this switcher, adjust the size of the application. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.